Hi, my name is Kristina Varaksina and I'm a photographer. I specialize in portrait, fashion, beauty, and conceptual photography. My work has appeared in Harper's Bazaar, the Telegraph, BBC, and many numerous exhibitions around the world. Several of my pieces have also been selected for such highly regarded awards as Lens Culture, Portrait of Britain, and International Photography Awards. I'm much more interested in unique appearances than conventional beauty. I aim to shoot faces and bodies that tell a story about that person, about who they really are. With my conceptual photography, I want to give voices to the subjects that usually are not heard or not seen. I want to move my audience to change their opinion or even to take action. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to find your artistic voice in photography and how to communicate it through your lighting, color, and subject direction. For the final project, you will create images on a subject that you find personally relatable or socially important. First, we're going to create a concept around the subject that is meaningful to us and think about how we can translate that into a visual medium. Then we will begin planning our first shoot. Here, we will decide what artistic direction we want to take and what equipment and technical requirements we might have. Next, I'll take you through setting up lighting, environment, and props to create two distinct images, a self-portrait and a portrait of someone else. Finally, I will teach you how to select your images, make global adjustments, and retouch those selected shots. By the end of this course, you will be able to transform your personal ideas into meaningful and striking images. To successfully complete this course, you will need a basic understanding of photography and access to a camera, a window, or a studio lighting. So let's take photos with meaning and feeling together.